Hey guys, my name is Zach Snow, and today I wanted to talk to you about a few interesting things that I found from the USGS website. Now, first of all, I wanted to talk to you guys about the hazard I picked, volcanic landslides. Now, first of all, landslides are large masses of wet or dry rock and soil that fall, slide, or flow very rapidly under the force of gravity. Landslides are common on volcanic cones because they are tall, steep, and weakened by the rise and eruption of molten rock. Now, one cool thing that I found out about that is they are essentially avalanches. Now, avalanches happen when the snow will break loose and it'll release a pile of snow going down a steep mountain. That is essentially the same thing that happens with a volcano. When the earth starts to shake, creating an earthquake, it'll release all the soil, water, rock, dirt, everything will just start going down. And now for my preparedness, I wanted to know what are certain procedures that we could take during an eruption. Now, first and foremost, we'd want to move away from hazard zones as fast as possible, but you will still more than likely be exposed to ash and volcanic rocks. Now, also make sure you follow evacuation advice from officials and stay off fresh lava flows. Also, make sure you are staying out of valleys and low-lying areas that lead away from the mountain, but make sure you're listening carefully to official reports via emergency broadcast, which doesn't mean you will always have access to that, but if you do, you need to make sure you're utilizing that. And lastly, for my volcano assessment, I decided to talk about the Emmons Volcanic Center. The Emmons Volcanic Center is a stratovolcano complex, which is located in Alaska Peninsula near Cold Bay, Alaska. The volcanic center includes several ice and snow-clad volcanoes, which I thought was really cool with a cladrilla structure. And historical eruptions of play-off volcanoes have been small to moderate in Strombolian eruptions, which I found interesting as well. Now, thank you guys for listening to my case report. I hope you all have a great night.